Hi, I'm Dan, and today I want to give you a quick tour of the Link in Bio project. Now, this project is perfect for a single page website. It'll allow you to link off to all your social networks, list out any projects or experience you have. It's perfect for that little single page website that you want as a jumping point, so people can learn more about you and find all your social networks. So I've got the project open here, and it's open with kind of this blue theme, and that's on the system theme. Now we can easily change this. I can switch it to typesetter or architect there, and you can see the colors changing. It also supports dark mode. So on all of these themes, that's the way it's set up. So we can easily change that. And the light and dark mode will change automatically based on the user's system preferences. If you don't want to use dark mode, you can switch it off in the site settings up here, but I'm going to leave it on for now. And if you want to pick your own colors, you can do so in the theme studio. You can come in here and override any colors and just change the entire look of the site really quickly there to perhaps your color is green and you want everything green. Really easy to do. So really easy to change the image as well. I've got a picture of some guy here and I just drop it into there, and now we're already looking a little bit more professional, and I could come in here and customize this text to be about me. I can change these links as well. At the moment we've got 3 links there. If I wanted more, I can just copy paste the button and they will get listed out and they'll go down onto further rows, so you can have as many as you like. And let's get rid of that one and let's change this to Facebook. So I go over to my resources, and in the project we've got a lot of the popular social networks in there ready for you to use. So this one, I double click into the type and I'm going to call this one Facebook, and then we just want the Facebook logo, so there it is, and I drop it over the icon and boom, there's our Facebook link. And we can go up here and customize that and point it to our account. Really easy stuff. And you can obviously change all the colors and the borders on these things. So I've selected them all there, and we could put them on little medium borders. Let's do that. And now that's kind of squared off the buttons. Yeah, really easy to do. Change all the colors, size, everything that you can usually do with an Elements project. Here I've got an experience section, and this is you could list out where you've worked in the past, and this is got a little hover effect on it, and if you want more of these you can just copy and paste, and as many as you need, and then you can double click into the text areas to customize those. So this is really simply set up, and we've got a little project section here, and again it's the same. We can duplicate these projects and as many as we want, just keep doing that. And if I highlight a project here, I'm going to switch it over to a grid item, and we're going to set it to take up 2 columns, because the grid I'm using here is set to a 2-column grid, just because we're working on a small site. So set to a 2-column grid, and on this one I've set it to take up 2 columns. I can put it back to 1 or widen it to 2. So really flexible, really easy to use. And then this little section here is a fun little apps I use section. So maybe you could put your skills in there, what hobbies you have, or what apps you're really good at, what are your expertise or your languages that you're good at. You could use this for a lot of things. And again, it's the same as before. I can just copy and paste and it builds these up. Double click to edit the text, drop a new image in. So it's really easy. Like I could take this one from here and we'll switch that to that. And they've got little highlight effects on them, little rollovers. And then at the end, I've just got a Let's Connect bit where people can contact you with a little email me button. And again, you can customize that. So the project, really easy to use, and everything is spaced out in a container. So we're not even using a flexbox or grid here. It's just spaced out, and we have this gap setting. So if I switch this to 0, you'll notice everything bunches up. But we can just switch it to 10 maybe, and everything is nicely spaced out. So you can change that and it's changing the whole page because we're all inside one container. So this is a really simple project. This is a great starter project, especially if you're new to Elements and you just want to play around and have a little tinker about with something that's already built. So that's the link in bio project. It's available to download for free. We've got plenty more projects coming, but get stuck into this and I hope you find it useful. All right, thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.